welcome to the land of Soul Vida. Soul is the sun, Vida is life. I am Ashe and I am here to bring the light, coming to you from Lake Atitlan in Guatemala. Today we are here to do embodied rituals. So we're going to begin in a standing position. And I want you to just put one hand on your belly, one hand on your heart, opening up with the dancing mantra. Repeat after me. I am a dancer. I am strong. I am beautiful. I am capable of anything. I live my dreams. I love myself. I am powerful. I am a dancer. Ashe. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we're going to open our embodied rituals with allowing body parts to melt and to listen to what they need. So I'm going to call out different body parts or tap and show you, and I want you to release that, moving it in a way that feels nurturing and fulfilling and soothing to your body. Beginning with our head and our neck, and with the breath. Good, adding your shoulders. Moving through your elbows. Staying aware of the breath, staying aware of what your body wants, how it wants to move. Moving it through your arms. Allow your arms to fly and be free, exploring space. Into your torso, upper body. Let's let our whole upper bodies release. Neck, arms, shoulders, arms, wrists, torso. Super bueno. Moving into our lower body, so thinking about the waist and our pelvic floor, allowing the sensations to come in that need release. They can often be subtle, sometimes they're big. Trust yourself. picking up the joints of your knees, starting to feel how they want to move. Bent, straight, around. Beautiful. Bringing attention to your feet and your toes and your legs. We're just going to release that whole rest of the lower body. You can try circles, pushing into the floor, doing what feels good for you. Favor and let this entire lower portion go. Pelvis, hips, knees, legs, abs, calves, toes, ankles. It's all yours. Gorgeous. Now, with grounding, feeling your feet back on the earth, feeling the steady base, feeling the strength of this pelvic floor, your power of center. We're going to allow everything to go, but we're doing it from a rooted place, a place that we are still in control, that we don't leak our energy everywhere, but that we soothe ourselves by releasing everything in a grounded way. So I'm going to count us in, and we're just going to let this body go without thinking about what it is that we're doing. And 5, 6, 7, hiya. Do yourself a favor and let yourself shake out anything that is not serving you right now. Shake it out of your wrists, out of your feet, out of your head, wherever it needs to come out, because you don't need that no more. Whew. Beautiful. Coming back to where we began. Grounded, hand on belly, hand on heart. Take this moment to shut down your eyes. Feel the sensation of your heart on your hand. Feel the sensation of the power in your pelvis, in your divine strength of femininity. Breathe deeply in through the belly and through the body. We're going to stay here for a moment. Gently coming back to awareness, giving yourself a hug. We're here for a radical self-love revolution. All of this love for ourselves. This practice is here for you morning, noon, and night. This has been Embodied Rituals, and I am so thankful and grateful for you. Much love. Sol vida por vida. Ashe, ashe, ashe.